Hey guys, I have a Faure Le Page or Faure Le Page unboxing video for you. I decided to do this video since at the moment they only have stores in France and Singapore, so their products are not easily obtained unless you live near there. So otherwise you'd have to order online through their website. I really like watching unboxing videos because it's fun to see what people got, and it's hard to gauge how big it is unless you see it in person. So it comes in a really nice box with their house logo on the inside. It doesn't come with any other boxes, but they do come in dust bags. Also came with this gift bag, which contained the receipt and some other things. It came with this really nice card that says, "Choose luck, not fate on your first date. Do not delay. Find the real four-leaf clover in our stores today." On the inside, there is a map where their store is located in the shape of a knight's helmet, which is pretty cool. And then it has this booklet, which is an illustrated history on the house. So they go way back to 1717. Originally, they started manufacturing firearms, and then they started making bags as well. These are some of their products, which is pretty cool. Alright, so let's get started on what I bought. So we'll go from small to big. So this first one is their carry-on pouch in size 17, which is the smallest one. There are also sizes 21, and then the biggest one is 24. This one is in Paris blue, has a D-ring on the side, their house logo on the front. There is also a pocket in the back. It comes with a strap, so you can attach it here and use it as a wristlet. There is one inside pocket, and it says Faure Le Page, Paris 1717 in gold letters. You can also use this as a crossbody bag. I've attached a long cotton strap to the D-ring and the zipper. The only thing is, since it's attached to the zipper on the one side, when you open it, the zipper will go with it. But it still works. Okay, the next one. This is the carry-on pouch in size 21 in the gray color. This is the medium size. Also has the D-ring, inside pocket, and the strap. Pocket in the back as well. This one will fit your phone depending on how big your case is, and that's all the way down as far as it can go. So if you wear this crossbody, you will have easy access to your phone. And for size comparison, medium one is just a little bit bigger and wider, and tiny bit wider in depth as well. Now compared to the mini pochette, pochette is much smaller. And the big one, most of you guys can probably guess what it is. It is the Daily Battle Tote in Paris blue in size 37, which is the second to largest size. I have a bag organizer in here right now. It's large size one. It's from Amazon. I also got two of their medals. So these actually came attached. and I wasn't sure how to remove it, so I emailed them, and they're actually pretty nice. They sent me a video on how to attach them. You just have to pry it open over here. And this one, which they call ribbon, is actually black. They were out of the Paris blue, and I didn't want to wait for shipping or order the blue one later, so I just got the black one, but it's close enough you can't even tell it's a different color unless you're really looking. So the way to attach it, you unscrew one end here all the way, and then you just thread it through. There's 3 different holes you can attach it to. So the ribbons are actually priced separately from the medals once you put them in your cart. So if you wanted to buy more than one medal, you don't have to keep buying the ribbon unless you wanted a different color ribbon. But that's what it looks like attached. It just gives it a more unique and classy look. You can attach different charms. This one is my favorite. I think it looks really pretty and feminine, and the colors look really nice together. It's about 16 or so inches in length, 12 or so inches in height. And about 6 inches in depth. You can fit quite a bit in here. It's slightly bigger than the Neverfull MM. Also has a D-ring, although it's higher up, so I don't use it for my keys because it just drags it down, since this is floppier than the Louis Vuitton coated canvas. It doesn't have a zipper or closure or anything, but it does have this inside pocket. You could probably fit maybe a 15-inch laptop in here. Don't quote me on that since I don't have a laptop. You can definitely fit your iPad, full-size planner, full-size wallet, lotion, hand sanitizer, all that stuff, and maybe even a cardigan. You can throw it on top there. So I was actually inspired to buy this bag by Isabel from Isabel Style. She did a comparison video between this and the Neverfull MM. I wanted something more unique because everybody has Louis Vuitton, and I didn't want to get the GM because their price increases are crazy. I didn't go with Goyard because I like this aesthetic a lot better. So comparing to the MM, it's a little bit shorter. The MM I think is a little bit wider. And it's about the same in length at the top, but this is more angled at the sides, and the Faure Le Page one is a little straighter on the sides. It's also got the reinforced leather corners. Doesn't have the feet, but it's got leather on the corners. The straps are also adjustable on the one side, on both sides. So far, I've only used this bag a few times, but I really like it. I can't attest to the wear and tear yet since I've only used it a few times, although I've heard it does hold up pretty well. So if you are looking for something more unique than the Neverfull, I would highly recommend looking into the Daily Battle Tote. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.